Adding login system in your smart contract with the help of Google is super duper easy. Let me show you how you can do that. So here I have built this application, you can see that, and here I have this sign in with dollar. So if I click on this, it will open this Google authentication and I can pick whatever profile and whatever account I want. So I will go with this one, and the moment I will click, it will give me the entire details about this particular user who signed in to my application. So this is the JWP token which Google will send you, and you can easily able to decode to get all of the information about this particular user, and this information you can store into your smart contract. So you don't need to deploy the pictures in IPFS and then you have to fetch it out. All you have to do is to simply store all of this information in your smart contract, and from there you can fetch it and you can display in your front end. So that's the easiest way you can take it. Okay, so if I simply grab this entire URL for the image, if I come here, if I paste this, and I have to remove this quotes, double quotes, and if I hit enter, I'll get the image of my Google account, and I can store this image in my smart contract. If I come here I can able to find the email IDs, email verified, expiry date, so family name, giving name, this is the JWP token, when the token is getting expired, this is the account authentication, this is the JWP token, this is the name, a lot of information you will find, and you can easily able to decode to store in your computer. So that's one of the feature you can include in your smart contract in your Dapp. It's not always important that you have to allow user to type it address. Sometimes you have to include this kind of feature in your contract, create the account very fast. So sometimes what happens that if you ask user too many questions, they don't create their account. So sometimes you have to come up with a solution to take the users. Okay, so let me show you the code that how you can do it. So this is the entire logic I have built. So I'm working on this application, and it's going to be a part of my one of the paid application, one of the paid course which I'm going to launch very soon. In that you guys will learn about that how you to manage the contest management with the help of Redux, and we're going to build powerful application. So that keep it for a side. When I will launch that course, you guys will have a complete overview. So what I will do, I'll come back to this app.js, and here I have taken this script. So this is the Google account script which will give me the information about the clients, and if I come back to the index, here I have built the entire logic. So here I've taken this use state, then I'm taking the Google object, from there I'm accessing the account and then getting the ID, and in that I'm passing my client ID which I got from my Google identity. So you have to go to Google's and you have to create your account in Google identity, and there you will get your secret key and your client ID key. So that's what I have got, and I have created this callback function, and this callback function will run is right up here. So in that I'm simply taking the response, I'm just decoding the data as a user data, and that's what I'm consoling, logging into my console. You can easily able to store this information in your smart contract or in your database. So that's what we have here, and this is the div. So this is the div I have created, sorry, this is the ID which I have created, and here I have assigned the ID, so I can display the Google login button, and this is the theme and this is the size. So it's 100% customizable. So when you will go through the Google Doc logging docs, there you will have all this information that how you have to send the props. Okay, so one of you have asked me this, though, that's why I thought let's make a video, and it's a very good feature which you can include in your Dapp when you want to take information about the user and you want to display his data in your Dapp. That's the easiest and cheapest way to store user information. So I would recommend you to come and go like this, because in that way you don't need to deal with the IPFS, creating IPFS account, then uploading the data to the IPFS, then fetching the information to the IPFS. All the things you have to do is to straight away get the information from the Google, and you can store into a smart contract and you can fetch it from there. You don't need to deal with the IPFS. Okay, so that will give you a very good idea. So the only thing you have to require that you need to create an account in Google identity. Go and create, and once you create that, this is the exact piece of code you want. And if you guys want me to show you that how to do all of this thing practically with the smart contract interaction, so do let me know in the comment section. So I'll build the smart contract and I'll build the front end where I will allow the user to click on the button, and our contract is going to store the information about that particular user. So I will show you the entire process that how you can do that. So if you guys really want me to do that, do let me know in the comment section, so I'll make a video on that, so you guys can understand that how you can do and you can take the advantage of Google to authenticate user. So that's the quick video, just the quick overview of this short tutorial which I made it, and I hope you guys have got the benefit and you guys have got the idea that how you can play with this data. So that's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you still have any confusion, in doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.